Watch me turn $10 videos into a steady stream of $10,000 per month in just a few months with the help of AI. Last month, I decided to try a challenge using AI to help me with YouTube automation, and it's going pretty well. In this first episode, I'll take you along my journey of using AI to make my YouTube video creation process a lot easier. And I'll also show you how it could possibly help you with your channel as well. But before we actually dive into how my channels are currently doing, you won't believe some of the past results that I've been able to achieve with the help of AI. So this right here is one of the first videos I actually created with the help of AI, and we used AI script writing and AI voiceover. Now what's really cool is that I got around 500,000 views and made around $2,500 in revenue. Now with this video, the script, if I calculated it correctly, the script was about $3, the voiceover was about $3, and then the video edit itself was about $18. So in total, this video cost around $24 to create with a return of $2,500. And this isn't the only video. This next video we have here is a more recent viral video about 2 months ago. This next video here basically just went viral within 2 days and it died, but it still netted around $2,300. Again, same costs with the help of AI script writing and AI voiceovers. Now with this video here, what's actually really interesting is that I simply just combined 3 videos that were mostly AI generated. Again, AI script writing and AI voiceover. So this led to a 45-minute long video going viral and making around $1,600. Currently, I'm running about 7 YouTube automation channels with the help of AI. Now I've decided to actually divide my channels between browse-based channels and search-based channels just because both those channels have 2 entirely different strategies among them. But even so, AI is a crucial factor in helping us create videos for all types of channels. So depending on which type of channel it is, I have a respective project manager who's in charge of the respective channel. So let's say I have project manager A and she's in charge of all my browse-based channels, and then I have project manager B and he's in charge of all my search-based channels. The thing that I learned that's specific to my channels is that creating videos entirely with AI isn't really suitable for all the niches that I'm in. It might be suitable for like a historical niche or a stories niche, but those are niches that I'm just not part of. And because of that, I'm currently only using AI scriptwriters, and then I'm also using AI voiceovers to help with our production processes. The video editing is actually still being done by human video editors, but even so, I'm still able to get my costs to be really low at the video editing step, and I'll reveal how much I'm able to get those costs for later on in the video. Now that you know how things are going for me, you might be wondering like, what's the point of all doing this? What's my goal? What am I really hoping to achieve with this challenge? Well, it's pretty simple. I want to make an extra $10,000 per month on top of what I'm making right now with the help of AI. And in the modest sense, within like 3 to 6 months, I might only be around like an extra $3K per month in revenue. But regardless, either way, I'm going to be documenting my journey and sharing with you all the tips and strategies that I learned along the way. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay along tuned with it. Now with my goals in mind, let me share with you my workflows that I'm testing out, because you'll be surprised how affordable I can get some of my YouTube videos for. So here are all the workflows that I currently have going on with this challenge. So the first workflow is, with all the workflows, it basically starts with coming up with an idea first. So for all my channels, I do come up with about, I'd say 70 to 80% of all the ideas, and it's something that I actually enjoy doing. It also exercises my creativity, so that is something I really don't mind doing overall, as usually one of my main tasks for my business. But the first one is the human kind of workflow, where it goes from idea, human scriptwriter, human voiceover, human video editor, and the final cost of a video usually comes out to around like $60. Now, if you already have this workflow going on with your channel, I wouldn't recommend like firing your entire human team to kind of replace them with AI. Instead, I would recommend actually introducing new workflows. If the human workflow is already working on your Faceless YouTube channel, keep that going. It's already proven, it's already working, but now try to also include new workflows. So the second workflow that I have here is the idea is ready, then you have a human AI scriptwriter, and then you have an AI voiceover, and then a human video editor, and the final cost for the video comes out to like $26. That is the workflow that I use for the results that I showed you earlier in this video. This third workflow here is just a different video editor, but it still shows you how affordable I can get these videos to be, which is around like $14, with a lengthy 8 to 10 minute script. Now the last workflow that you see here is a full production workflow where they create videos for me for at $1 per minute, and those are starting to rank on YouTube as well. Those are specifically for my search-based channels and not necessarily like my browse-based channels, but either way the final video cost for that workflow comes out to around $3 to $60 per video. And so now that you've seen my workflows and goals, I'm going to reveal to you how you can start using AI for YouTube automation. Now, first and foremost, don't force yourself to create videos entirely using AI if you feel like your videos are ultimately crappy. And what I mean by this is like what I've learned from testing out so many different AI videos is that there are some niches where completely AI generated videos make sense, and there are some niches where completely AI generated videos do not make sense. There are so many YouTube videos teaching individuals how to create videos entirely using AI. And don't get me wrong, these videos have good intentions, or maybe they're after your money, but even so, the videos that they're making are really cool. They're animated, they're really high quality, they look super hyper realistic. But after watching these videos, I always think to myself, like, what's the point? Do these videos actually get you results? And what I'm guessing is like for maybe 10% of all these AI generated videos being created, about 10% of them actually do get results. And by results, I mean some sort of monetary value, but if you're not after monetary value, maybe you're only after views, yeah, sure, they'll get views then. My recommendation is that if you're a complete beginner to YouTube automation and you want to start using AI, start with a Google Sheet and lay it out as far as what I have displayed on here. You have a role for scriptwriter, you have a column for voiceover, you have a column for video editor. If you're kind of already hiring people and you have a team, indicate how much you're actually hiring each of these contractor roles for. Now, as an example, I used to pay like $23 for my scripts, and now I'm able to get them for as low as $3.50 for the same word count. That is about 85% less than what I'm spending. By hiring an AI scriptwriter, I'm basically saving almost 85% in scriptwriting costs. There's a simple quote by John Bryant, and he basically says this: you can make money in two ways. You can either earn more or you can spend less. Now, the latter of spending less definitely applies here, in which if you are looking to actually go ahead and replace some of the steps in your workflow processes with AI, you can most certainly start saving on costs. So try AI scriptwriting on your channel and see if you ultimately achieve the same results. This is what happened to me when I started using AI scriptwriting, and at first I was extremely hesitant, thinking like, well, my current scriptwriter is an absolute rock star. He knows sports so well, there's no way that an AI generated script can write as good as him. But that's not the point. By utilizing AI, the goal isn't to actually have the AI script be better than the human writer. The goal is, does the AI script actually get results on YouTube? Does it actually bring in views? Does it actually bring in monetary value? That is the way that I see it when it comes to actually trying to introduce AI technology within the YouTube video creation process. Based on my experience, AI video editing works in a limited amount of niches. AI voiceovers practically work all niches in my opinion, just because the voiceovers sound extremely realistic. AI script writing also works in a limited amount of niches. Now, in case you were wondering what tools I use, I'll leave a link down below as far as which tools I use. Now, for AI script writing, I am using a combination of Make.com and ChatGPT. I use the paid version of Make, and if you use my link down below, you'll get a free pro month plan to actually try it out yourself. Make.com is a bit of a learning curve, so if you do decide to use it, you are going to need to learn how to use it from other YouTube videos. Maybe I'll make a video on how I use it specifically for YouTube video creation and YouTube management later down the road. ChatGPT, I do pay for the $20 month plan just because I like to not be limited when it comes to asking ChatGPT all these different questions and such. Now, for AI voiceovers, I do use 11 Labs. 11 Labs itself, you've probably heard about it, but if you haven't signed up for it just yet, you can use my link down below as well. So while experimenting with creating so many videos using AI, I actually found 5 really high CPM niches that I'd like to share with you. So if you're interested in learning what these 5 high CPM niches are, make sure to watch this video next to see what they are. If the video isn't there just yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel to actually see when that video comes out. Bye.